A dry stone wall is actually two separate but interlocking walls tied together by longer through stones, while the middle is filled with small rocks and pebbles. The only way to do it properly is by hand, but it's a painstaking job, so the boys have left Chief Landscaper Andy to make a start.
I'm just going to pack all these little bits in, fill all the gaps in. There can be no movement anywhere. Then we just get a stone, try and cross that into there, so that the next one will maybe cross into there. And then it'll keep battering in as we come up. So we keep the sides coming in, tapering in, and it'll hold it together better.
They can be made from lots of different types of stone, like slate, sandstone or granite. Vanessa and Alan's is being made from pale limestone. It's eating up over £500 of the £6,000 budget. But it's worth it to create that sun-bleached Mediterranean look.